Alright guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. We're back up here at the barn renovation project. We're going to put the siding on this side. I'm going to show you the updates over here. We tore all the walls out right here, so now it's all open. And this week we're going to get concrete poured here, and this will be all for pigs. Once the concrete's poured, we can finish putting our purlons up, and then we'll side that side too. Then we'll get all these cobwebs and stuff cleaned out. And then this side will be for horses. And I'll have to come back and basically do the same thing, just redo everything here, all the fronts. I'll save all the door tracks and doors, and then I'll just go ahead and put new fronts on. Alright, so let's get prepping this side for the siding. There's a few nails I gotta pull out and all that good stuff. It's been raining all morning, so it's going to be a sloppy mess. So let's get to work. Alright guys, all the siding's done. The only thing we got to do is put a piece of 1x trim up the top and put the gutters on and get it stained. But that'll be up to the wife and her sister to paint it. You know, like I said, this is their mom and dad's barn, so now we got to do the same thing on the other side, which it's getting there. Yeah, let's go take a peek at the other side. We'll just go in the barn. Darkened it up in here quite a bit. That's why those windows were in there before. They had a lot of light in. But yeah, you can see all this, like I showed you earlier, but all this is out. But we're gonna do that the same on that wall over there, the T111. But like I said, we're gonna get this poured in concrete. Hopefully today is Sunday. Hopefully by Wednesday it'll be poured. Then we can finish this wall. Then we can start working on the interiors. And that side over there will be horses, so I gotta tear all them fronts down. We'll do all brand new stuff. But until then, hope you guys enjoyed this. I think it's part 6 of the barn renovation. And we will continue on this until it's completely done. The back half we gotta tear down, but that might be spring of next year. So, but hopefully here in the next 2 weeks we'll have pigs in this barn. So we'll catch you guys later, and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Catch you on the next one.